guys? Welcome back to another video. I have a Hot Wheels unboxing video. I got 4 cars from Target and I gotta show you guys what I got, so let's get into the unboxing video. First car is a 2021 Ford Bronco. This is actually, I haven't gotten this car yet and I'm actually pretty excited about this because I love the Bronco, so let's open it up. I will come back to you guys when it's open. Here it is out of the box, and honestly, it's a really cool car. If you can see, there's like a little bit of mud splash. I really like that detail, and I really love the Broncos. Let's move on to the next one. We have the 1980 Toyota Land Cruiser. This is actually a really nice one. Me and my dad love Land Cruisers, so let's get this thing unboxed. Yeah, I was really excited when I got this, and it looks even better out of the box. Next one. We have the Ford Mustang Mach E 1400. I'm really excited about this, and I've wanted this one for a while, so let's unbox it. This one's a really cool one, and I was really excited to see that Mustang came out with a new Mustang that is actually electric. This last one is the Subaru Wrx Sti. This is actually a really cool color, so I'm excited to unbox this. Let's do it. Here it is, right out of the box, and not really a fan of the non-temp work, but otherwise, I really love this car. If you guys like this unboxing, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you won't miss an upload on the Nate channel. Those are the 4 cars I got, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe for more unboxings. See ya.